Hi charm friends, it's time for a charm haul. It's been quite a while since I've done one of these, so let's get these packages open and find out what kind of goodies we got. Alright, I opened up all the packages. I have everything laid out. Now we get to go through all my new and pre-loved goodies. First up, in my first box that I opened, we have some items from Chamilia. Hope I'm saying that correctly. We have a silver Mickey dangle head that has swirls on it. And then we have a silver fairy for Tinkerbell. And that's exactly where I thought I was going to put these. So I'm just going to put one on one of my Mickey bracelet. And the other Tinkerbell with Tinkerbell's bracelet. Very great design. Lots of detail on Tinkerbell the fairy. And they have a nice thick veil too. And here we look at the back side. On the back of Tinkerbell's wing it says Disney. And on the side of Mickey it says Disney as well. I think these are great additions. And as I was looking over Tinkerbell, I noticed the cute little pom-poms on her shoe, on her little slippers. So she's got a cute little pom-poms on her slippers. Item number 2 is also Chamilia and Disney. It is the lamp from Aladdin. Look at this. It sure could use a polish up, but I noticed, which I did not know when I bid on it and I won, is that it opens. I thought that was a hoot. I just realized that it opens. So I thought that was really cute. And it says Disney on the bottom. And it's going to get a nice polishing. Cute detail. Love it. Alrighty, continuing on, I have a pair of barrel-shaped Mickey silhouette spacers, and these are both stamped Disney and S925, and they are Chamilia as well. They have Mickey silhouette heads on both sides. Next I have a Chamilia Easter Bunny. Really cute, intricate design. Stamped S925. And also has Cham on the back. Moving on to Pandora. So I picked up another Trinity Spacer, blue CZs, for to go on my Cinderella bracelet. and it's stamped S925. ALE is on it as well. I picked up the letter I. I thought it was very uniquely shaped, the way it was kind of like bent. It was kind of whimsical. So I picked that up. Got a good deal on it. I got the Hogwarts charm. H for Hogwarts. And it was used, gently used, and they sent it with the tag. So that was nice. And it has the hallmarks, oops, over here on the sides. So next is my pre-loved Harry Potter charm. It's the H for Hogwarts, and they were kind enough to send the tag with it. So next I have a leather bracelet that came with these charms. So it looks like it came with the sunburst clipped, 2 hearts, and this mouse charm. I'm pretty sure this is a mouse and not a bunny because of the long tail. But these are all Pandora pieces. And they're all S925. And they could all use a good cleaning. This looks like it's like white, a white leather with tan. I don't think I have one of these. The leather bracelet appears to be 18 centimeters. I bought the 7.9 inch twisted snake chain. It does not have any station clips. Pandora is written on the clasp. And I had ordered 2 of the textured star mini clips, but they only sent 1, so I have to contact them about the other one. I got 2 of the heart pattern clip charms, and then 2 stones and enamel clip charms, and then 2 of these white enamel lacquer charms. That, my charm friends, completes my order. Well, I went ahead. It's been several days, like a week. It's been a week later since I started filming, and I gave these charms a bath. As you can remember, this was quite tarnished. Polished it up, and this heart was really tarnished. Oh, dropped it. Polished it up. It's It's not super shiny, but it's better than what it was before. And in the meantime, I contacted Pandora and I let them know that I was short 1 star, and they sent me another one. So let's go ahead and get this open. And here we have that box. That textured mini star. And here we have that box. That textured mini star. Alrighty, there we have it. Textured star. Textured mini star number 2. Alrighty, so this is what I have finished up, all on display. So drop a like, subscribe if you haven't. Which is your favorite? Do you have a favorite? Top 3, possibly, from this haul? I gotta get busy and start designing with these beautiful pieces. Do you mix and match with different designs, like design brands? Chamilia, Troll Beads, Pandora, Ogre Beads. I need to start branching out more. I've designed with a few different, but it's time to start incorporating some more different brands. Alrighty, so this is what I have finished up, all on display. So drop a like, subscribe if you haven't. Which is your favorite? Do you have a favorite? Top 3, possibly, from this haul? I gotta get busy and start designing with these beautiful pieces. Do you mix and match with different designs, like design brands? Chamilia, Troll Beads, Pandora, Ogre Beads. I need to start branching out more. I've designed with a few different, but it's time to start incorporating some more different brands. Thanks for tuning in, charm friends. Till next time.